everyone. As you can see, we have two new Star Wars The Black Series figures in front of us. We have Jyn Erso and Bodhi Rook. These are from GameStop. I know a few of you have gotten your figures already. I unfortunately guessed incorrectly as far as who was going to have stock first, and GameStop is one of the last. So, but anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to open one of these two figures. We're going to use our trusty digital assistant and figure out who we're going to do first. This will be number 1 and this will be number 2. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 2.
Here's a number between 1 and 2. It's 1.
All right, Jyn Erso will be first, and in our next video where we do Black Series figures, we will do Bodhi Rook. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. That way you can take a closer look at Bodhi. But let's go ahead and look at Jyn Erso first. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the outside of the box first, and then we will go ahead and open up the box, take a look at her articulation, take some pictures, come back, talk about some of the things we liked and or disliked about the figures. All right, so as you can see, it is Rogue One, a Star Wars story. I like the color that they chose for this. Rogue One has actually become one of my favorite Star Wars movies. When I first came out, it was definitely, I was kind of like, and then as I watched it more and more, I had a greater appreciation for it. I don't know about you guys, you know, what your favorite is. It's definitely not the favorite, but it is up there with the original trilogy for me. All right, so we've got the artwork there. Good picture there, and then we've got Jyn is number 1 in Rogue One, a Star Wars storyline, and then it's got on the back, putting behind a checkered past by lending her skills to a greater cause. Jyn Erso is impetuous, defiant, and eager to bring the battle to the Empire. Used to operating alone, she finds higher purpose by taking on a desperate mission for the Rebel Alliance. And then we've got the stripe going through, got the window at the top. So let's go ahead and take her out of the packaging here. If you have any questions while we're going through this, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. And like I said before, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. All right. She does not come with a lot of accessories. Got the single blaster here. All right. So this is a there's an original figure. This is a remake. Basically, we've got the new paint on the front. It's the same sculpt, except it's different paint application. I did not open my original Jyn Erso, so I might bring her out. That way we can take a closer look at her. I'm not going to unbox her, but yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get things cleaned up here, and I will be right back. So as you can see, I've got a 3-pack here of the original red box Black Series figures for for Rogue One. We've got Andor there, Erso, and then a Death Trooper. As you can see on the face, I hope you can see on the face. We'll bring her a little closer here. I mean, it's such a difference when it comes to the paint application. The figure itself, from everything that I've heard, is exactly the same. However, the paint on the face is definitely different. I mean, that doesn't even look like her on the red box one. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep in the red box. I had meant to go ahead and unbox this at one point, but I'm glad I didn't because we're going to be unboxing all of the new ones. So yeah, so let's go ahead then and take a closer look at the new Jyn Erso. All right, so the first thing, let's go ahead and take a look at the blaster. Maybe it'll focus. Trying to get it to focus. There we go. All right, so we do have some metallic paint on there, which is nice. And then the grip and whatnot is just plain plastic, black plastic. But I mean, overall, I think it's a good looking blaster for Erso here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the figure. I'm not sure if this will come off or not. I think it does. I think it does. Hopefully I'm not going to break anything. All right, good. It does come off. So let's go ahead and take a look at her articulation and whatnot with the cloak off. So head all the way down, really good movement there. Head all the way up, also really good. And also taking a closer look at the face, that actually looks like Jyn. So I'm happy with that. Got a little bit of a head tilt, not a whole lot. The vest looks like it could probably come off. I'm not going to do that though. I've had problems with some of the Black Series vests in the past. Arms do go all the way up, which is awesome. So let's take a look. Come on, bend. Looks like almost 90. So I want to be careful with these because this is the older body style. The smaller figures, I had problems with them. But we've got the double knee here. It's going to go all the way around. The looks like the holster is not attached, which is good. I hate when they attach them. This arm all the way up. And then this is going to be a left-right. And this is an up-down. Yeah. Nope. Yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah, up, down. There we go. So overall, I mean, it's a decent figure. I do like so far the way that the uniform is, and the paint on the face is definitely so much better. This is actually a good look. I'm happy with that, actually. So that's the way she will be displayed. And then the blaster as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take some pictures. If you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. And with that, let's go ahead and take some pictures. All right, so I think that was a good look at Jyn Erso here. I'm so glad I didn't open the red box version of Erso here. This is such a better figure. Like I said before, from everything I've seen, the articulation and whatnot are exactly the same on this figure as the original. The only real difference is going to be the paint application itself, which makes a huge difference. I mean, huge. So I'm looking forward to growing the Rogue One shelf. It's definitely going to be growing quite a bit over the next couple of weeks here as more figures are released, at least to GameStop. I know. Could have gotten it from Target. I could have gotten it from even Walmart or even Amazon of all places, but that's not. So that's where I ordered from. Unfortunately, I ordered them all together, and GameStop makes it very difficult to cancel just a single item in a large order if you've got like 5 figures pre-ordered. So I won't be doing that again. Anyways, so if you have any questions about the figure, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Overall, if you don't have the red box version, definitely get this one. If you do have the red box version, it's really going to be up to you as far as what you think makes sense. Because again, the figure itself is basically the same. The only difference being the face and how that is painted. So with that, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, but we also do other things as well, like home automation, electronics, going to theme parks, and that sort of thing as well. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.